guys, it's JaaackJack and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited about today's video. This has been something I've been wanting to do for the longest time, ever since I shaved my head, honestly. And it's do a wig unboxing video for you guys. And so wigs.com actually reached out to me and offered to send me a wig to try out. And I'm like, this is perfect. And then I asked them if they would be interested in sending in an extra additional one for my aunt, which is the reason why I shaved my head. And they said yes. Oh my gosh, they were so sweet. They said yes, so I was able to get my Auntie Feenie a wig too. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys her unboxing and her reaction to her wig in this video as well. I'm so stoked about it. But if you're interested in hearing more or just seeing the wig, seeing the unboxing, hearing more about wigs.com, then just keep on watching. But of course, before we jump in the video, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is JaaackJack. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and the little bell so that way you are notified of future videos and you officially become part of the Little Flower family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on into the video. My hair is like getting long. Do you guys see this? Do you guys see this? So I know that I've mentioned in like my hair growth journey that once it gets to the awkward length, I'm definitely going to take advantage of wigs and I'm going to wear wigs. But at the same time, I want to encourage you guys, I'm not going to be wearing wigs 24/7. So the times that I'm not wearing wigs, I'm going to rock the mullet that's growing in. So don't even worry about that. I'm going to rock the mullet the best way I can. But on the days where I just don't feel like rocking a mullet, that's where wigs come in. So you guys might have seen last month I got an orange wig and I was so excited about that because it's like fun and bright and it just allows me to bring back the orange hair vibes, which if you are new and you don't know, I used to have really bright orange hair before I shaved off my head. So, and I was rocking the orange hair for quite some time and like I was obsessed with it, honestly. Like, not everyone loved it, but I was obsessed with the orange hair. And so once I shaved off my head, I kind of missed it. So I'm really happy that I have an orange wig that I can go to whenever I want to be super colorful. But one thing I really wanted was a natural color hair wig. Not like black, because, well, that's like my natural color hair, but I wanted something that was more like natural looking, maybe like blonde highlights or a little bit of a balayage or ombre, something like that, like something more natural that I could wear day to day and it wouldn't be like super loud and in your face, you know what I mean? And then I saw this wig on wigs.com and fell in love, so I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So wigs.com has a bunch of amazing high quality wigs and they range from all over. So some are super affordable, some are super expensive, so it's really like whatever price range you're looking for, but they have it all and they have so many different styles and different brands. And one thing I really loved on the website was that when you go onto the website and click like whatever wig you're looking at least all the wigs that I looked at had this. There's a little video that plays and it'll show like an actual human being wearing the wig and kind of like moving around in it, and you see like she'll turn her head and show you the back so you can see what the wig actually really looks like, which is a huge deal for me because when I'm looking online and I just see a wig on a mannequin, that really doesn't tell me anything. I don't know what it's going to actually look like on a human, on me. Like, so seeing it on a model, a real person model, was very helpful. And the fact that she's moving in a video format, it just made it so much easier for me to decide which wig I wanted to try out. So okay, I know I'm talking so much, you guys just want to see the wig. Okay, so the brand that the wig that I picked out is from Rene of Paris, and they have a bunch of beautiful wigs, and this is the box here, this cute little red box. I'm so excited. I've already opened it and like worn it a few times, so on the actual wig hair, these things were attached. So this one says attention, and on the back it has combing instructions. So I thought this would be good to hold on to since I am new to wearing wigs, you know, so I kept this. And then you have the little tag that shows like what the style is, and then it also has care instructions in here, so like how to wash it, how to dry it and style it, all that kind of stuff. So I thought this was important to hold on to as well. And on the back it has the style or like the model of the wig you got as well as the color, so which I'll tell you guys in a second. It also came with a wig cap, so I'm going to put this on before we put the wig on. And then when you open the tissue paper, we have the beautiful wig, which comes in like kind of this hairnet. So I'm going to take this off real quick, shake her out. Oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this color. I'm obsessed with this color. So it is like a little bit of a ombre or balayage. I don't really know what you would want to call it, but it has a darker root. The dark roots on here are still lighter than my actual root color because my hair is like black, but this is like a nice dark, rich, chocolatey brown, and then it blends into this like honey blonde. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's not like bright blonde, it's like a warm like brown blonde, but it's so pretty, and it has like these messy beachy waves, which I thought were so perfect. There was a lot of different wigs that I was like checking out that were like this hair length, which is what I really wanted, and they had more like defined curls and like more definition to the curls, and I thought they were beautiful. But I was like, for day to day, the style that really resonates with me is more of the messy kind of shaggy look. So that's what this one is. And when you turn it inside out, you can see I don't really know like all the terms for wigs and stuff, but it has like the normal cap here, and it's adjustable in the back, so if you need to tighten it or loosen it. And then it has a mono part, so you can have like a deep side part and it's going to look really natural. And then it also has this much right here, this section of lace front, so again that just makes it look super natural when you put it on. So let's just shake her out. Oh, so beautiful. So this is the Evanna wig in the color mochaccino-lr. So mochaccino and then long root. LR stands for long root, I believe. So it's rooted, long. Oh, it's just so beautiful. Okay, let's put this baby on, shall we? So I'm going to start with the wig cap. So it like goes all the way through like this. So what you do with this, oh, I don't want to mess up my makeup. Oh, this is like, oh, this is tight. Put it over at your face. Oh, I don't want to mess up my makeup. Oh, okay, there we go. So you want to wrap it around like a necklace, and then the thicker part, the band, that's the part you want to stay like right here on your part. So here, oh my gosh, I don't want to mess up my makeup. Why is my head so big? Okay. Then we're going to wrap this around. My hair is gonna look cray cray. Make my ears come out. And then, as best I can, I'm going to tuck in the little mullet. And then this part, with the rest, you kind of just leave it out, like it's open, but it has all your hair like pulled back. So the combing instructions say to hold the wig upside down and shake it, and then run your fingers throughout the wig, and then turn wig over and use a wide tooth comb or pick comb for final touches after wearing the wig. Flip my head over, get the back set up, then pull it forward. Woo! Okay, so here is the Evanna from Rene of Paris in the shade mochaccino-lr. I'm absolutely obsessed with it, you guys. I can't even get over it. I'm so obsessed. I love it. It's so comfortable, and it has like little ear flaps, so then I can like tuck my hair by my ears and it still looks pretty normal, pretty real. I mean, I have my sideburns here, but what are you gonna do about that? I'm not gonna shave them. And if you look really closely, the lace front just looks so natural in my opinion. This is the most natural wig that I have. I don't have many like wigs. A lot of my wigs are costume wigs, but the few wigs that I do have, this is the most natural lace front that I have. And I feel like I could totally get away with wearing this without even putting on glue. I don't think that I need to be honest. With some of my other wigs, I have to wear it with wig glue or else it looks crazy on me. But this, I could totally just walk out like this and be totally fine with it. How many times have I said totally? This length, I'm obsessed with. This color, I'm obsessed with. And I just love the style of it, how messy and shaggy it is. It's not like defined curls. I love this messy like beachy wave or like bedhead look. Always been my favorite. And I feel like I could do like a half up, half down, and it'll still look normal. I could do like, well, I don't know if it's long enough to do like little pigtails, maybe not. But there's different things I could do. I could even braid this back, clip it back, and have it look, you know, still really natural looking. So now you guys will probably see me wear this wig a lot in my upcoming videos. Hope you don't mind. I'm just obsessed with it. Like, I love this. I love this wig so much. So like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, wigs.com was so sweet enough to send an additional wig over for my Auntie Feeny, which you guys know if you have been following my videos or if you've seen the reason why I shaved my head. It was actually in honor of my auntie who was recently diagnosed with stage 4 cancer. And when I went to go visit her in Oklahoma this past November, I let her shave off my head. And shave off my head, that sounds really weird. Shave off my hair. I let her shave off my hair. And ever since then, I have been wanting to create a video like this where I am able to try out a wig on camera for myself, but also be able to send her a wig. So she was able to pick out whatever wig she wanted on the website, and she picked out this beautiful, I think, Jon Renau wig. Oh, it's gorgeous and it's long, brunette. And I had my Auntie Feeny record her reaction and her unboxing, and when she sent it over, I could not help but just have the biggest smile on my face while I was watching her reaction. Like, it's the best. It is so great. So I'm gonna play that for you guys right now.
What Jackie Lou sent me. Jon Renau. Oh man, please fit. I have a very big head. Please fit. Here's the wig. Beautiful color. Jon Renau. Zara, large, please. Hope it fits my head. It's really pretty. Oh gosh, okay. So, I'm not, okay, so you gotta do it. Oh god, it's so, okay. And then, by the back tabs. Oh, it's like way, oh, okay, cool. The fit is gonna be good. Okay, wait, okay, hold on. Oh, it's like old Feeny. It's like old Auntie Feen. Oh my god. This is incredible. I don't have a hairnet on, but, oh. Okay, but it fits. It fits and I can so work with this. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
It's like old me again. Wow, hold on, my pants are falling. That is just so weird. Like, wow, wow. And I read the reviews and people were kind of, like, yeah, it's cute, but it gets tangled. And they were complaining about the color, but this is like really close to my original color.
It's your old color with some highlights.
Highlights. I've never had highlights. Never dyed my hair.
Yeah.
No, well, I did dye to get rid of the gray, but I actually always tease Jackie for like the highlights, and I was just like, oh, that's so typical, and I kind of like it. Sorry, Jackie. Wow, this is great. Okay. Oh. I just can't get over like I'm back.
Wasn't that just so like heartwarming? Like, that just made my heart so happy to see how much joy that brought her. And no, this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I'm not making commission off of any of the sales or this video. I'm not paid to talk highly of this website. They were just so kind enough to send these wigs over to us, and I'm just so happy I was able to get my aunt a really nice wig that that fits her and looks gorgeous on her. So it makes me really happy. Thank you, wigs.com. And if I'm able to get a coupon code for you guys, I will put that right here on the screen, and I'll leave it in the description box for you guys. So if you are wanting to pick up a wig, save yourself some money. Again, I don't make commission or anything like that. It's just there if you want to save some money. I will have links below to the specific wig that I chose and that my aunt chose in the description box for you guys if you want the exact same wigs we got. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!